Join us for the 5th Annual DC Bachata Congress and International Latin Expo, August 8th to 11th at the world-famous Hilton Hotel in Washington, D.C. A monumental experience like no other. Get ready for 4 sizzling nights as over 5,000 attendees from over 48 states and 29 countries join in this international celebration. Learn from the world's top instructors. Party till 6 a.m. every night in over 8 ballrooms of Latin dancing. Over 75 plus workshops and beginner boot camps in bachata, salsa, mambo, zouk, kizomba, zumba and more. Tickets are on sale and prices are going up, so go to dcbachata.com. That is dcbachata.com. We can't wait to see you at the 5th Annual DC Bachata and International Latin Dance Expo, a monumental dance event like no other, redefining your dance experience year after year. dcbachata.com